how to deal with them. So I welcome Gunjan ma'am and Vinita ma'am. Ma'am, you both can unmute yourselves.
Thank you, Pratishtha. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pratishtha ma'am. How are you, children?
Gunjan ma'am, you're not audible.
I unmuted myself.
Yeah, he's audible to me.
मैम आपकी वॉल्यूम थोड़ी कम आ रही है. कंप्यूटर वॉल्यूम मैम, अपनी कंप्यूटर वॉल्यूम आप एक बार चेक कीजिए.
Perfect. Highest.
Come closer to the mic.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me now? Good afternoon, students. We are starting 15 minutes late. Bachas, how do we do this? Are we all there? How many participants are we? Showing 27 to me.
27, yeah, including us, including all of us.
It's 27 only, but I can see 2 screens.
Yeah, participants is this many only.
Should we start with this term, ma'am? We have only 27.
Yeah, ma'am. We should begin, ma'am.
Acha, ma'am, then let's put 2 counselors in the breakout rooms. We will make only 3 breakout rooms.
Okay, 3 rooms or ma'am 4 would be enough.
30. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you have to give me screen sharing right and you have to make me co-host.
Done, ma'am. You can please share the screen. And students are requested to please turn off their mics.
Can you see my screen, ma'am? Good morning, good afternoon, students. How are you all? How are you all? Give me a thumbs up if you are feeling okay or enjoying your holidays, and give me a thumbs down if you feel that this was your sleeping time and we have called you in between. This time ma'am is giving me a thumbs up. That means she is okay. But what about the students? Okay, as you come in and find your seat quietly. Oh, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Yeah, give me 1 minute. As you come in and find your seat quietly and take some deep breaths to calm your mind before the class begins or before the session begins. Can we do that? Rita ma'am, you are very good with this breathing exercise. Can you help us breathe in and breathe out?
Yes. Sit straight with your back should be straight, absolutely straight, and your hands on your knees. Okay, and then start breathing. Breathe in and out. Okay, breathe in first. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. I hope you all are doing. Yes, students? 2 more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last. Breathe in. Breathe out. So yes, now we can start.
Thank you so much, Anita ma'am. And we all have been learning on using our screens. So let's do some eye exercise. We are quickly going to rub our hands like this and make them really warm and put our palms on our eyes like this. This will rest your eyes and then you are ready to be a part of this session again. Great. Okay. Have you all found your seats? Are you all on your devices? Let's understand what we did in the last session. Anybody of you would like to share, or you would like to put that in the chat? We will be more than happy to, see that. Anybody? What did we do last time? Anyone share? You can use the chat feature. You can unmute yourself and speak whichever way is convenient to you. What did we do?
Unmute yourself. आंसर करने के लिए आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर सकते हो.
बच्चे हमने लास्ट टाइम क्या किया था? हमने कुछ किया था ना, कोपिंग विद इमोशंस को लेके कुछ करा तो था हमने. क्या किया था, कुछ बता सकते हैं आप लोग?
Okay, ma'am. So the answers have started coming. Sahil Kumar mentions we understood good and bad emotions.
Okay, good and bad emotions. Okay. Anything else? I am somehow not able to access the chats. I don't know why.
Anything else? We learned about the emotion as said by
Okay.
Himanshi.
Okay.
Gunjan ma'am, I want to recall something.
Yes, ma'am.
You did a very interesting activity with us in which you had shown different emotions and we all had to label them. So the
Okay.
interesting thing was that most of them identified anger and upset.
Okay. And what else? Let us see, over a period of time, I think we are back after 2 weeks or so, a week or so. Let us see if your vocabulary of these emotions have enhanced or not. That is also one game that we are going to play with all of you. But children, this needs to be a two-way process. अगर हम बोलेंगे और आप सिर्फ सुनेंगे फिर मजा नहीं आएगा बेटा. आप लोगों को भी कंट्रीब्यूट करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे ही हम दोनों मिलके, हम लोग सब मिलके लर्न करेंगे किसी चीज के बारे में जो चीज हमें लगता है कि बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है एड्रेस करने के लिए. So give me a thumbs up in the chats if you believe that this is something that sinks in with you, or this is something that you agree with. Okay, team well-being mantras. Who is team well-being mantra? It's Vinita ma'am. Vinita ma'am, we can say hi to everybody. And me, we are here. And we are here with our second part of coping with emotions. Okay, what do you think this topic? Last time we got to know about some emotions. We also got to know, there was one strategy which we, talked about how to cope with your emotions. What do you think is this topic going to be? Any guesses? Any guesses? Excuse me. Any guesses? What is this topic going to be? What are we going to discuss today? Any guesses? Any guesses, students?
You can unmute yourselves to answer.
Yeah, it is part 2. So you must be, kind of knowing what.
Okay, ma'am, Sarah has mentioned we will learn about personal emotions.
Okay, personal emotions. What do you mean by personal emotions, Sarah? Are all emotions not my personal emotions? What else? Okay, Sarah is saying we'll learn about our personal emotion. That is one thing. Anybody, any other guesses? What is this session all about? Any guesses? बेटा आप लोग ना बातें नहीं करेंगे तो बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आएगा. ऐसे लगेगा कि आप लोगों को जबरदस्ती हमने बिठा दिया है. मुझे तो तभी मजा आता है जब आप लोग बात करते हैं. हमको बहुत सारी चीजें आप लोगों से भी सीखने को मिलती हैं. We get to know so many things from you all. It's always good to interact, and the best thing about the session, the webinar is there is no wrong and right. So it's okay to express yourself. It's important to express yourself. be able to understand and learn from each other. What do you say? Creative, Harbhajan. Okay, हम क्या करेंगे? Creative emotions और creativity को mix करेंगे, Harbhajan. What will we do? Fine. Let's find out what are we going to do about emotions. Okay. Remember, we did something of this kind. We had recapped, and these were the steps of coping with emotions. And we did a recap of this. And you had to sequence this if you remember last time. Those who were there last time, can you remember the sequence? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These steps are jumbled. So can you sequence them? We did it last time also. So we thought we will have a recap of what this is all about. How do we cope with emotion? How do we go with the process of coping with emotions? Does anyone remember? इसको sequence में arrange कर दीजिए. ये jumble up हो गए. We did this last time also. These steps have got jumbled up. We did this last time also. Can you please sequence them if you remember? There is no right and wrong.
Just type the sequence, like what according to you should be first. Second one should be the first, 2, 3, 5, 7, or 1, 2, 4, 6, 5. The whatever way you think the sequence should be set. Okay, ma'am. So some students have responded to your previous questions, how different types of emotions and how to react at that time,
Okay.
which emotion to choose, how to attain emotional intelligence.
Very nice. Great. Anybody who would like to sequence this, beta, you just have to put numbers. That's it. I'm not asking you to write. Just put the numbers. That will be great.
Okay, Azhar, can you just unmute your mic? You have mentioned that today we are going to learn about emotional intelligence, right? So can you rearrange these in proper sequence? Azhar,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon.
Ma'am, firstly, we inquire and investigate our emotions.
Mhm.
Okay.
Then we label them.
Okay.
Then we accept them.
Hmm.
And then we find the solutions. How can we deal with them?
Okay. Great. Anybody else? Anybody else who's as courageous as Azhar?
Komal Singh, can you try and answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, first inquire and investigate.
Hmm.
Ma'am, second label your emotions. Ma'am, third accept your emotions.
Okay.
Ma'am, fourth realize the impairments of your emotion.
Hmm.
And what does that mean?
Control your emotions.
Okay, next. So, Gunjan ma'am, can you help us with the correct sequence?
Yes, I can, ma'am. Give me 1 minute. This takes, I think, some time. Yes. 6 steps to mindfully deal with difficult emotions is turn towards your emotion with acceptance. Accept it. These are all emotions. These are a part of us, beta. Emotions है तो हम human beings हैं, नहीं है तो हम है ही नहीं. We are robots. Identify and label emotions. When you are turning towards your emotions with acceptance, become aware of the emotion and identify where do you sense it in your body. When you are, stressed, Where do you sense it in your body? What happens to your body? Which part of your body gets impacted the most? Identify and label the emotions. Once you know what it is, how it feels like, you will be able to label it and to stay mindful and say yourself, this is anger. I am not angry. The moment I say I am angry, I am putting myself as a replica or as a substitute of anger. I am not a substitute of anger. Anger is just a momentary feeling that comes into me. So that helps me to detach myself with that feeling if I say this is anger or this is anxiety. Third was, once we know all human beings are made of emotions, we need to accept our emotions. Don't deny it. It is angry, it is bad. No, it is not bad. All emotions are emotions which make us as human beings. So don't deny it. This is acknowledge it and accept it. Realize the impermanence of your emotions. Like when you are happy, does happiness remain with you forever? Does happiness remain with you forever? हम हमेशा ही खुश रहते हैं?
No, ma'am.
बेटा खुश आप हमेशा रह सकते हो. आपको किसी चीज की खुशी है, चॉकलेट आई है, चॉकलेट के खत्म होने के बाद वही खुशी रहेगी?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
तो impermanent है बेटा. No emotion will stay with you forever. So understand it. Whether it is whatever you say, good or bad, I say it emotions, because if these emotions were not there, then we wouldn't have been human beings. We wouldn't have experienced those emotions. We wouldn't have been a complete package called human beings. So all emotions are welcome. It's important to understand them and respond to them appropriately. There are two words. One is react and one is respond. Can anybody tell me the difference between the two? एक होता है हमारा response, एक होता है हमारा reaction. इन दोनों के बीच में क्या difference है? What is the difference between respond and react?
Ma'am, respond is basically when a situation is being put in front of us and we are just answering to it in a way, or we are acting according to that situation. That is our that's we are responding. And response means with a spontaneous situation that has occurred in front of us, and we are just, it's our response. That means what we have done. For example, our hand, it has gotten into fire, so we just very immediately put it away. So that's our response to it. Immediate response.
And what about reaction?
Yeah, sorry,
Yeah.
ma'am. That was reaction. Sorry, that was reaction, and earlier one was response.
So what is the difference between the two? What is it that is there in response which is not there in reaction? What is there which is there in reaction which is not in response? ऐसा क्या है respond and reaction में?
Ma'am, basically, if we see in response and reaction, reaction is sudden, which is within, we can say that a fraction of seconds, and response is something which we gave, or which we said, which we did after a lot of thinking and after a lot of our as an answer to it.
Brilliant. What's your name, बच्चे?
Ma'am, Vidhika.
देखा कितनी अच्छी बात बोली आपने कि response में we are giving ourselves time to think, to reflect, to understand, to balance, to understand the pros and cons. And reaction is something which happens without thinking. So when I am answering, when I am responding to a situation, should I react or should I respond? Responding will help me to think and come up with an appropriate solution to the problem. Do you think so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Respond is better than reaction.
Absolutely. The moment we say response, thinking is involved in that. Then that pause factor is there. रुक के सोचना, समझना, process करना, फिर respond करना. उसने मुझे बोला कि तुम खराब हो. तू खराब है. मैंने बोल दिया एकदम से. क्या मैंने सोचा कि वो किसको बोल रहा था और क्यों बोल रहा था? अगर मैंने जो बोला तू खराब है, what is this? This is reaction or response?
This is a reaction, ma'am.
And what would be the response be?
Ma'am, the response would be if a person has said that tu kharab hai, then after thinking that whether he has said this to me or not, and if he has said, so why did he say it? So our responsibility was to ask him.
Absolutely, absolutely. That would have clarified what exactly he intended to do. That would have also helped us to make him or her understand whether, that was an appropriate way of communicating something that he or she wanted to. Inquire and investigate. Ask yourself, what triggered me? Why do I feel this way? And let go the need to control your emotions. Emotions are a part of our body. Recognize them and respond to them. Don't control them. What happens when we keep controlling things? What happens when we keep controlling something that is making us laugh? What happens at the end?
Everyone laugh at her.
Absolutely, it goes out of proportion. It bottles up और बहुत जोर से हंसी आ जाती है. Similarly, अगर हम anger को control करते रहेंगे, फिर क्या होगा? What will happen?
Ma'am, it will burst out in frustration.
Absolutely, absolutely. So there is no need to control. There is only the need is to accept it, identify and label it, realize that it is not going to stay with you forever. So there is no need to react to it. Inquire and investigate why this has happened, why am I behaving like this, which will help you to reflect on responding to a situation appropriately. Okay, another emoticon game. This already we have played. Now I just want to know whether you can come up with more vocabulary or more, you can recognize more emotions, because that time we could only recognize some of the emotions like happy, sad, angry, that's it. Now this is 1A to 1E, this is 2A to 2E, 3A to 3E. I mean, you can just write it. 3A is what? Let me see if you can memorize, or if you can remember, or if you can identify with other emotions also. Okay, ये two way है. आप respond करेंगे, so we both will learn. So I want quick responses. This session is just for 1 hour, and we also need to manage our time well. That is another social emotional learning skill, which is called self-management. How I manage myself. When we are timing it for 1 minute. It is 3-5, 3-6. I just want responses of whatever you feel these feelings are. And the best part of these webinars are, there is no right and wrong. We all are learning from each other. As simple as that.
Ma'am, first A is irritation.
First A is irritation. Okay, beta, you can put that in chat. 2E is happy. Somebody's written. Manchi has written 2E is happy. Apart from happy, sad, angry, can you identify any other emotion here in this emoticon chart?
1A is upset. Okay.
1A is upset. Okay. Anybody else?
4A, someone has written lonely.
4A is lonely. Okay. Anybody else? It has to be fast. Only 30 seconds left. Let me see your responses. How many participants are there in this meeting? 36. Out of 36, at least I need 15 to 20 responses, beta. 4A is depressed. 2B is sad. 2A is disgusted. 1A is angry. 2A is disgusted. 2A, does 2A look like disgusted? Again. 2B is sad. Okay.
6B surprised.
6B is surprised. Okay. 2A disgusted कैसे लग रहा है विदिका? एक बार को check करो बेटा. Komal is writing 1A angry and 2A is happy. 4D is relaxing. 4A is sad. 4D is relaxing and 4A is sad. Brilliant. Very nice. और कोई emotions, the ones which are done, you can retry if you feel this is not that emotion. Otherwise, we can try other emotions also. 1A is angry. That is already being done. But can you think of something else? Choose some other emotion and describe it or label it.
3D is injured. Himanshi says.
D is injured. Okay. Acha. Himanshi, injured is an emotion. Injured, kya would agar Himanshi, just look at the face. There is a tape. What do you think it can be? Think about it. Think about an emotion which is closely related to the word injured. Okay, there is Himanshi, it was hurt. See, check करो आप लोग सब अपने अपने responses. See your responses. How many of you had guessed correctly? Give me a thumbs up in the chat. Okay. अब नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी जो हम करने जा रहे हैं, आप लोग ये सारे इमोशंस को एक बार बहुत आराम से ध्यान से देख लीजिए. प्लीज हैव अ लुक एट दीज इमोशंस वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. आई वांट यू ऑल टू know them, understand them, and if you want to add on to this emotions cheat sheet, you're most welcome to do so. What we are trying to do now is, give me 1 minute. Yes. क्या हो रहा है अभी? स्ट्रेस हो रहा है आपको? आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि गुंजन मैम, विनीता मैम आप लोगों को गॉबल करने वाली हैं? सेशन में स्ट्रेस हो रहा है क्या?
Not at
How
all.
much is stress? Is something bothering you? Let us check your stress before we start the session.
Before we can talk about stress management.
Absolutely. I am in a good space and can focus. 5 is from a 0 is I'm in a good space and can focus. 5 is something is bothering me, but I can still focus. And this one is all about I can't manage my emotions or behaviors right now. So what do you think is happening? How do you rate yourself? 1 to 10 के scale पे rate करो चलो अपने आप को. Let me see how you rate yourself. I need at least 15 to 20 responses in the chats, and we just have 1 minute for this. This is a stress checker. Come on, children. Come on, students. These are 10th to 12th students, the students of grade 10 to 12. I think all of you are young adults. Come on, young adults. Where is your stress? Rate them, rate it from the level of 0 to 10. 0 being no stress and 10 being the maximum stress. 0. Okay, Vidika. 0, I am glad. 0 to 5 की रेंज में है कोमल का, 3 to 5 की रेंज में है अजहर का. आशी is on 3. Okay. मुझे लगता है ये सब छुट्टियों का नतीजा है. You all are
Very relaxed.
relaxed. हाँ. छुट्टियां होते रहने चाहिए. I think one thing we have got to know is छुट्टियां or the vacations are the real stress busters. So we need to have them often. And even I am feeling very happy. Today is the first day of my holiday too in school. So I am also less stressed, and my stress check is between 2 to 3. Great, brilliant students, brilliant, very nice. Now we have some interesting activity for you. I am quickly going to share this with you. This takes a little time. Okay. Yeah. Can you see my screen? Now sort. Now let's sort emotions. The emotions that was easy for you to deal with, and the emotions that were not easy to deal with. Which one would you like to go with first? Easy to deal with or not easy to deal with? Come on, students.
Easy to deal with.
Easy to deal with. देखा, हम सब easy चीजों पे पहले आते हैं. Human nature है. हमें लगता है जो चीज easy हो ना उसे पहले कर लेते हैं. एग्जाम में भी ऐसे करते हैं. जो easy होता है उसे पहले कर लेते हैं. Yes or no?
Yes.
Great.
Yes,
Easy to
ma'am.
deal with. Come on, give me one emotions easy to deal with. I will keep typing for you all.
Happy.
Happy. ये ना मुझे 10th और 12th के बच्चों की vocabulary चाहिए. I don't want kindergartner vocabulary. Happy, sad, angry. Give me an evolved vocabulary like a 10th and 10th grade or 12th grade students. You all are big students and you all have more enhanced vocabulary than primary students. Yes or no? Agree or disagree? Happy का कोई अच्छा सा word ढूंढ के बताओ ना मुझे. Substitute word. You have Google with you to look into. Google करके आप बता दो मुझे चाहे. बताओ. Give me some nice words. Emotions that are easy
Glad.
to deal with.
I'm glad someone has written
Glad. Thank you. That is a better word. Glad. Okay,
Deeksha
another
and-
one.
Excitement.
Excitement. Excitement is easy to
Thankful.
deal with. Me, excitement is not easy to deal with. I go out of hand when I'm very, very excited. So I really have to give it a great deal of thought when I'm excited. That's my thing.
Fascination.
Sorry?
Fascination.
Fascination is an emotion.
Yes, ma'am. We're fascinated by looking at certain things. So
Do you feel it's an emotion? So it's easy to deal with or it's not easy to deal with?
it's for me, it's easy to deal with.
Okay. Fascination. Done. Another one?
There are few responses in the chat window also.
You just name it, Vinita.
Yeah, bored. One is bored. Thankful.
Bored is easy to deal with or not so easy to deal with? Who has said bored, ma'am? Can we ask that child?
Mukul. Mukul, can you just unmute your mic?
बेटा अगर वो easy to deal with है मैं easy to deal with में भी डाल सकती हूँ. आपका जो आपने किस intention से लिखा है? We are right now dealing with the emotions that are easy to deal with. So should I put bored and easy to deal with or not so easy to deal with?
For me, it is easy.
Oh, great. Chalo.
I think because they are all getting bored these days.
Fascination.
So, ma'am, they have thankful, cheerful, forgiving also.
Thankful,
Cheerful.
cheerful and कोई अच्छे words लाओ बेटा. मैंने आपको Google की liberty दे रखी है. Google Baba is with you. Come on. Give me good words.
Forgiving.
Ma'am, fantastic.
Fantastic. और कुछ अच्छा word लेके आओ. Better words. Come on, come on. Fear is not so easy to deal with, okay? Should we move on to not so easy to deal with now?
Ma'am, anger.
Anger is not so easy to deal with, okay? Anything else? और कौन सा emotion है? Not so easy to deal with.
Sadness. Kanishka has written.
Sadness,
Lonely.
Yeah,
lonely.
lonely.
Lonely actually is not
Ma'am,
easy to deal
hurt.
with.
Frustration.
Frustrated, okay?
Shyness.
Frustration
Ma'am,
is not
hurt.
easy to deal with. Shyness is not easy to deal with, okay?
Hurt. Guilt.
Hurt is not easy to deal with. Guilt is not easy to deal with, okay?
Jealousy. Nice.
Jealousy is also not easy. I completely agree with you.
Shame. Karthik has written.
Hurt,
Anxiety.
jealousy,
Anxiety. Good.
anxiety is not easy to deal with. Very nice. Anything else?
And depressed and shame. They have written.
Depression is not easy to deal with. Shame is already.
One
shame.
has also written, ma'am, pride.
Pride is not easy to deal with. Okay, very nice.
Okay, Aarti
Great.
says curiosity.
Curiosity is not easy to deal with. Can be.
Ma'am, grief.
Grief. Okay, grief is not easy to deal with. Okay.
And ma'am,
Anything else?
excitement also thing is sometimes not easy to deal with. So we can go ahead.
Excitement is also sometimes not easy to deal with. Okay. Excitement is also not easy to deal with at times. Perfect. Great. Now you have given me a list of emotions that you find it difficult to deal with. Pratishtha ma'am, how many groups are we making? 5. Vinita ma'am,
Yes, yes.
I want you to look at the list and take out 5 emotions not easy to deal with and keep it as a secret till I ask you to reveal.
Okay.
And just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and randomly write 5 feelings which are not easy to deal with. 5 emotions not easy to deal with.
Okay.
And once you are done, I want you to give me a thumbs up or let me know so that I can move on to the next slide. In
Write it,
the
Gunjan, or
meanwhile,
I have to keep it in my mind?
you have to keep it in mind and you can make a note of it, Vanita.
Note करूं मैं? Okay, then let me give me 1 second at least.
Aha, 2
Note down.
seconds. And by the time, children, I want you to all to go through the list of the emotions that are not easy to deal with. एक बार सब लोग आराम से पढ़ लो. इससे related कुछ करने वाले हैं आज हम बहुत interesting. Just go through the list. Randomly, Vinita ma'am, any 5 randomly and give them numbers from 1 to 5.
Okay.
And once you are done, do let us know, ma'am.
Till that time, ma'am, one student has written loneliness and emptiness.
Okay, Vinita
Now, this
ma'am, if you
emptiness
want
is
to
very
include
interesting.
emptiness in your list, you can do that also. But that's up to you. This is
Okay, I've written 5.
Okay, great. You have numbered them also, ma'am, 1 to 5?
Yeah. Yeah, I've
Great.
numbered.
Perfect. Now this is what your task is, children. This is what you all need to do. And let me explain you what is this. We are going to divide you in 5 groups, children or students. Your group will be assigned one emotion from the list that you find difficult to deal with. Think of an incident when you experienced this emotion. Hold on. We have an interesting way to solve this problem. आप लोगों को क्या करना है? Pratishtha ma'am, when I will tell you, then Pratishtha ma'am is going to divide you in 5 groups. You all will have one counselor with you. Your group will be assigned an emotion from the list that Vinita ma'am had just written from 1 to 5. Vinita ma'am, here I would request you the emotion for which you have assigned number 1. Just write group 1, whichever emotion is it, in chat. And all students to make a note of it and all mentors
Oh,
or
Gunjan,
counselors to make a note of it.
right
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
shall I reveal the
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
topic for group 1?
You can put it in chats, ma'am. And we
All
can
the
carry
topics?
on with
All the
this.
topics?
All the topics. Group 1, emotion assigned. Group 2, emotion assigned. Group 3, which emotion. Group 4, which emotion. And group 5, which emotion.
Okay, okay. 1 second.
The numbers that you have given were the number of groups. And whatever emotion you have assignment, just put that in chats and everybody to, make a note of it, including the counselors. And Vinita ma'am, I will request you to announce the same at the end of the presentation when we are going to break down and when we are going to break into groups.
Okay.
Okay.
So I've shared in the chat window all the
Great.
5 groups, topics for all the 5 groups.
Okay. Group number 1 will be frustration. 2 is fear. 3 is depression. 4 is shame. And 5 is jealousy. Great. Okay. Now, children, you need to look into this very, very carefully. Why I am asking you? Because you have to do it this way. Sorry. Now, I am also sharing the list. This we will access it later, children. I am sharing it now in the chats. And mentors, to make a note of these, you have to record students' work. Students need to work on this according to the group. There is a Google slide link which I have already shared here. Give me 1 minute. I am unable to. Vidika has raised her hand.
Ma'am, it was by mistake. I'm really sorry.
No problem, beta. I thought you are asking me something. I am unable to access my chats. I don't know why. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we are able to see your
Ma'am, by the time I'll just reiterate the instructions to them.
Yes, ma'am.
तो जितने स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ मौजूद हैं हम सबको ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करेंगे 5 ग्रुप्स बनेंगे हर ग्रुप में आपके 7 पार्टिसिपेंट्स होंगे और 7 पार्टिसिपेंट्स में से एक कंपल्सरीली काउंसलर होगा ओके मैम ने नंबर वाइज यहाँ पर हमें इमोशंस व्हिच आर डिफिकल्ट टू डील विद ये हमें चैट में लिख के दिए हैं सो व्हाट वील डू इज ग्रुप 1 विल हैव फ्रस्ट्रेशन एज द इमोशन ग्रुप 2 फियर Group 3 depression, Group 4 shame and Group 5 jealousy. अब हमें करना क्या है कि हर ग्रुप अपने अपने स्मॉल ग्रुप 7 लोगों के ग्रुप में इस इमोशन को लेकर इन पे चर्चा करेंगे पर हम कुछ सोच समझ के चर्चा करेंगे ना किन पॉइंट्स पर हमें ध्यान देना है या बात करनी है तो मैम जो आपकी स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा है ग्रुप वाइज मैम ने एक गूगल का लिंक बनाया हुआ है So the counselor ma'am will help you to talk about that emotion on those points. उन areas के इर्द गिर्द हम बातचीत करेंगे और हमें आपकी participation definitely चाहिए. So, ma'am, should I?
Yeah, no, ma'am. I will just explain them the process. Children, students, you need to understand this is your work. Counselors are there to be with you, to guide you, to help you just in case you need it. But we assume you all to be young adults who are equipped to take your decisions on your own. So this is your work. If you are contributing, it is reflecting on the Google slide. If you are not contributing, it is not reflecting. As simple as that. So we are going to solve this problem this way. We all are designers and let's solve the problem creatively. So first we are going to empathize with the problem. One of you in the group is going to share an incident about the particular emotion that is being assigned to the group. If it is group one has been given the emotion frustration. So one of you can share an incident where you felt frustration was an emotion which was not easy to deal with. So who can tell me the meaning of empathize? Who can tell me the meaning of empathize? Can anybody tell me the meaning of empathize? You can Google it out also. You can Google it and let me know what does it mean. Children, you can Google it and let me know the meaning of empathize.
Honestly speaking, ma'am, I have Googled it. So what I have found is it's relating to someone else's incident. What has happened to someone else?
No, you write empathy meaning. What is empathy or empathize? Meaning, empathy meaning. Let me know what it means.
मैम मीनिंग दूसरों के इमोशन को सेंस करना
बिल्कुल ठीक ब्रिलियंट बात है दूसरों के इमोशन को सेंस करना कैसे सेंस कर सकते हैं दूसरों की जगह पे अपने आप को महसूस करके है ना बेटा एम्पैथी कहते हैं उसको putting myself in your shoes इसका मतलब क्या है मैं exactly वो चीज महसूस कर सकूं जो आप महसूस कर रहे हैं अगर मैं वो चीज महसूस कर सकती हूँ तो उसके क्या फायदे हो सकते हैं मुझे how can that benefit me आप महसूस कर रहे हो वो मुझे महसूस हो, जो मैं महसूस कर रही हूँ वो आपको महसूस हो, तो उससे क्या होगा?
मैम इससे हमारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगी।
कैसे?
मैम हम जो दूसरा कहना चाहते हैं, that means the condition of another person, we can understand it.
Absolutely. It helps us to exactly understand what the other person is going through. So we are going to use this way, which we call it a design thinking way. It is a 5-step process. I'm going to explain you these 5-step processes, and we are going to follow this process when we are discussing the problem which is being given to us by Vinita ma'am. She has assigned an emotion to all of us. So we are going to discuss about the thing. First, we are going to share an emotion, an incident where we have experienced this emotion and we could not deal with it. Then, one of you will share the incidents. Please read the instructions very, very carefully. This is for the counselors also. One of you can share the incidents when you experience this difficult to deal with emotion. You can learn about the audience from whom you are designing by observation and interview. The person who is talking about this situation, you can talk to him, question him or her to understand what exactly the situation was. You can check out empathy map to explain your experience for others to understand better. Other group members can understand this problem by being empathetic listeners. ये empathetic listeners क्या होता है? Empathy हमें पता चल गई, putting ourselves in others' shoes, understanding how others are feeling. But how do we define empathetic listening? Can anybody tell me empathy और listening को join करके empathetic listening word बना है? तो मुझे बता सकता है कि what does this mean?
Priya?
Ma'am, empathetic listening can mean that once when we are listening to another situation, we are putting ourselves in that person's situation. So,
okay. Anything else? Understand and relate to someone. Somebody has written. Identify with them. Okay. So this is what empathetic listening is all about. Empathetic listening is when one listens with an intent to understand how speaker feels. In addition to understanding his or her ideas, showing empathy involves identifying with a person's emotions and situations, even if not in agreement with them, even if I don't agree with them. But here my objective is to be non-judgmental. मैं किसी को जज नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं उसका नजरिया समझने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. I am trying to understand him. I am trying to understand his or her point of view. So I need to be empathetic listener, irrespective of the fact that I agree or disagree with what the person is saying. Have you all understood? This is the first step. जो भी बच्चा प्रॉब्लम स्टेट करेगा उसको सुनना है, ध्यान से समझना है प्रॉब्लम को. प्रॉब्लम को समझने के बाद हम क्या करेंगे? What will we do with the problem? What was the next step? This is the empathy map. This is going to help you to ask questions to understand the person's problem. Who are we empathizing with? We are empathizing with the person who's sharing his or her experience. What do they need to do? Put yourself in his or her situation and try to analyze the problem from his or her perspective. What do you see? What do they see? Seeing the problem from the perspective of the person who has experienced it. And what do they say? What does the person has to say about the problem? What does the person do in that situation? What did he do? And what did he hear? What was the scenario like? All those things. What were the pains that the person went through? What were the gains that the person went through? All these questions will help you to define the problem, which is the next step. Consider different point of views. When you are going to discuss, एक दूसरे के point of view को समझिए. Understand, give them an empathetic listening. One point of view, other point of view, put it together. Try to, fine tune it. and then define the problem. After spending considerable time to understand and empathize with the problem, you are now required to define the problem. Actually, problem थी क्या जिसका आप solution ढूंढने वाले हैं? Create a point of view that is based on users' needs and insights. क्या user need, उसको क्या चाहिए था उस टाइम पे, और उसने क्या महसूस किया था, और क्या करने से आप उसको हेल्प कर सकते थे, इन सब के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को डाल के एक प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट बनाइए. अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू लिख के व्हाट वाज द प्रॉब्लम, इसका सॉल्यूशन आप ढूंढने जा रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट स्टेट इज आइडिएट. आइडिएट इज मेड विद द वर्ड आइडिया. ही अगर आप हटा देते हैं तो आइडिया, तो आप ब्रेनस्टॉर्म कर रहे हैं आइडियाज, उसके पॉसिबल सॉल्यूशन क्या हो सकता था वो, जिससे कि वो परेशान नहीं होता. उसके लिए ये जो नॉट सो चैलेंज, जो चैलेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस है वो नॉट सो चैलेंजिंग बन जाता, मतलब वो डील कर पाता. Brainstorm and come up with as many creative ideas as possible, और and construct wild ideas are encouraged. Out of the box thinking भी आप कर सकते हैं, you're most welcome to do it. And then out of all the ideas that you have brainstormed, आपने जितने भी ideas सोचे समझे उन सब लिख लीजिए. उसमें से जो बेस्ट लगता है वो हमारा प्रोटोटाइप हो जाता है. एक या दो बेस्ट आइडियाज निकाल लीजिए और उसको समझाइए अपने यूजर को, जिस बंदे ने आपसे प्रॉब्लम शेयर करी है, एंड डिस्कस इट फर्दर. और ये जो आपका प्रोटोटाइप जिसे हम कहते हैं, एक हमारा ड्राफ्ट होता है, एक छोटा सा, हमने जो हमको समझ में आया उसके बेसिस पे हमने एक सोल्यूशन तैयार किया है. जरूरी नहीं है वो सही सोल्यूशन हो, वो हमें पता चलेगा टेस्ट करने से. टेस्ट कैसे करेंगे? आप अपना आइडिया, अपना सोल्यूशन उस बंदे से शेयर करिए कि क्या अगर आप तो ऐसे करते तो आपको हेल्प मिलती. अगर वो बंदा अग्री करता है और आप सोचते हो कि भाई हम सोशल सेटअप में रहते हैं उसके हिसाब से ये सोल्यूशन फिट हो जाती, वो आपकी सोल्यूशन परफेक्ट सोल्यूशन है. उसमें आपके जो सोल्यूशन आपने प्रोटोटाइप में बनाता है उसमें क्या काम कर रहा है, क्या नहीं कर रहा है, उसके फीडबैक लीजिए यूजर का, जो जिसने आपसे प्रॉब्लम शेयर करी है. सारे चेंजेस को इनकॉर्पोरेट कीजिए और फिर हम आपको वापस मेन ग्रुप में बुलाएंगे जहां आप अपने सोल्यूशन को शेयर करेंगे. ठीक है, चलिए हम सब लोग अपने ग्रुप में जाएंगे. प्रतिष्ठा मैम, वी आर रेडी टू गो.
Yes, ma'am.
Breakout rooms. Would you like to explain them what breakout rooms are, or have they experienced what breakout rooms are?
Ma'am, no, we'll have to explain.
Gunjan, have you shared the Google slide links with everyone?
I have shared the Google slide links. All of them can take the Google slide link from the chats, please. Copy the Google slide links, please. Your groups. Acha, ma'am.
Not visible here.
Ma'am, yes, it's not visible in the chat.
It is not visible in the chat, Gunjan.
I shared it in the chats. Give me 1 minute. Maybe the chats were directed to someone. It was not for
Ah,
everyone.
For
Give me
some
1
private
minute.
chat. You might
Yes,
have sent it
ma'am.
to some privately.
I don't know with whom I did that. Give me 1 minute. I'll share it again.
Okay, so with respect to the breakout rooms, मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि हम इसी वेबिनार पे रहेंगे, पर अभी जैसे हम लोग सब लोग एक साथ एक दूसरे की बातचीत सुन पा रहे हैं, तो 10 मिनट्स के लिए.
Have you got the link? Let me know, please.
Yes, ma'am. Now we can see the link, ma'am.
Okay.
So 10 मिनट्स के लिए आपको ग्रुप में मैं अलग अलग रूम्स में भेजूंगी, यानी कि आप
Mr.
किसी
Ma'am,
रहोगे.
can you also assign the counselors so that counselors can take the group link with them?
Yes, ma'am. Group 1, Ruchika. Group 2, Tanya. Group 3, Vidushi. Group 4, Gunjan ma'am. And Group 5, Vinita ma'am.
Great. Thank you, ma'am.
ठीक है, आप सब ये लिंक्स एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, which are given in the chat, for the format in which you'll have to report whatever has been discussed in your group. So बच्चों को मैं बता रही थी कि आपको 10 मिनट्स के लिए हम रूम्स में भेजेंगे, एंड आप अपने ग्रुप के साथ आपस में एक दूसरे की बात सुन पाएंगे, एक दूसरे को देख पाएंगे, एंड यू विल गो फॉर अ डिस्कशन. 10 मिनट्स के बाद मैं एक मैसेज टाइप करूंगी that you have 2 minutes left or 1 minute left for this breakout meeting to get over, जो आपकी स्क्रीन के सबसे ऊपर फ्लैश होगा. ठीक है, आप सब अलग अलग रूम्स में होंगे तो शायद आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आएगी, तो आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे देखते रहिएगा, वहां छोटा सा एक फ्लैश होगा मैसेज दैट लास्ट 2 minutes, लास्ट 5 minutes ऐसे करके, एंड देन आई विल remove the rooms. So आप सब वापस यहीं पर आ जाओगे. Is it okay? Let's try. I know this is new for all of you, but let's try. आप में से किसी को अगर कोई problem आती है, तो your counselor is there in the room. You can take their help, their assistance. Otherwise, I will be there one by one in everybody's room to ensure that things are going smoothly.
I think counselors can initially access the link and open it and record the students' responses.
हाँ, I request all the counselors कि आपके group wise, again group 1 Ruchika, group 2 Tanya, group 3 Vidushi, group 4 Gunjan ma'am, and group 5 Vinita ma'am. Please click on the link, Google Drive link, which is shared by Gunjan ma'am in the chat box, and आप उसे simultaneously एक window में खोल के रखिए ताकि बच्चे जो भी responses दें आप side by side type करके अपने साथ content को ready रख सकते हैं.
And your group name will be reflected in your slide also, the Google slide link which is being shared with you. So just check that you are clicking on your group link only. Like I am, when I am opening it, I can see, I will just quickly show you my screen also so that everybody knows how it looks like. You can see my screen. If you can see here, group 4, we all are designers. This is how the screen will look like. This is the process they can refer to. This is the group name, the group member's name, emotions assigned to your group. They need to write here. This is the empathy map. On the basis of this, they have to write the questions. They have to define the problem here. They have to type the brainstormed ideas, shortlisted 1 or 2 solutions, and need to check and incorporate the final solution here. And then we can go back and share the solution. Is this clear? You can see, if you can see here, this is group 4. Just check out for this thing so that you can ensure that you are opening your own link. We can start, ma'am.
Okay. Before we go, a last reminder, group 1